Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best wireless earbuds. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the earbuds in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. The hidden word is Spark. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best wireless earbuds on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Rinsmola wireless earbuds. Kicking off our list, the Rinsmola wireless earbuds are a budget-friendly option for those dipping their toes into the world of wireless audio. Priced around $20, these earbuds offer Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, ensuring a stable connection for music and calls. They feature 14.2mm graphene drivers, which deliver decent bass-heavy sound, making them suitable for casual listening during workouts or commutes. The IPX7 waterproof rating means they can handle sweat and light rain, perfect for active users. With a total playtime of about 30 hours including the charging case, they're practical for daily use. The earbuds come with a dual LED display on the case to monitor battery levels, and their lightweight design. Each bud weighs just 3.6 grams, ensures comfort for extended wear. However, the sound quality lacks the clarity and balance of higher-end models, and the microphone performance can be inconsistent for calls in noisy environments. Some users have reported fit issues requiring frequent adjustments. For the price, they're a solid entry-level choice, but don't expect premium performance. Number 9. Beikai Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Next up, the Beikai Bluetooth wireless earbuds step things up with an impressive 80-hour total playtime, thanks to a robust charging case with an LED power display. These earbuds, priced around $30, are designed with sports enthusiasts in mind, featuring ear hooks for a secure fit during intense workouts. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures durability against sweat and water exposure. Bluetooth 5.3 offers a reliable connection, and the sound profile emphasizes deep bass, which is great for genres like hip-hop or EDM. The earbuds also include noise-canceling microphones for clearer calls, though they don't match the clarity of pricier models. On the downside, the sound can feel slightly muddy in the mids, and there's no active noise cancellation, so they're less effective in noisy environments. The bulkier design might not suit users looking for a sleek, discreet look. Still, for those prioritizing battery life and a secure fit, these are a strong contender in the budget range. Coming at number 8, Cardina wireless earbuds. At number 8, the Cardina wireless earbuds offer a compelling mix of affordability and performance for under $25. These lightweight earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable, low-latency connection, making them suitable for streaming and casual gaming. The sound profile is bass-heavy, with decent clarity for vocals, which suits pop and electronic music fans. With an IPX8 waterproof rating, they're more durable than many competitors, handling heavy sweat or even submersion. The total playtime is around 30 hours with the charging case, and each bud provides about 6 hours per charge. The built-in mics deliver acceptable call quality in quiet settings, but background noise can interfere. While the earbuds are comfortable for most users, the lack of customizable EQ or a companion app limits sound tweaking. Some users might find the fit less secure during vigorous activity. For budget-conscious buyers, these earbuds deliver reliable performance without breaking the bank. Coming at number 7, Tozo Hybrid active noise canceling wireless earbuds. Moving up the list, the Tozo Hybrid active noise canceling wireless earbuds bring advanced features to the table for around $40. These earbuds boast hybrid active noise cancellation, ANC, which does a respectable job of reducing low-frequency sounds like engine rumbles, though it's not as powerful as premium models. With Bluetooth 5.3 and 6 microphones, they offer clear call quality and stable connectivity. The sound is well-balanced, with punchy bass and crisp highs, enhanced by 32 preset EQ options via the Tozo app for customization. The IPX8 waterproof rating makes them ideal for workouts, and the 59-hour total playtime with the charging case is among the best in this price range. The LED display on the case adds convenience. However, the ANC struggles with higher frequency noises, and the earbud's bulkier design may not suit smaller ears. For those seeking ANC on a budget, these earbuds are a fantastic value. Number 6. Apt Kado Wireless Earbuds. At number 6, the Apt Kado wireless earbuds strike a great balance of features and affordability, typically priced around $35. These earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing and low latency, ideal for video streaming and gaming. The sound profile is rich, with deep bass and clear mids, and the companion app allows EQ adjustments for personalized audio. With 4 ENC, environmental noise cancellation microphones, call quality is solid even in moderately noisy settings. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures durability during workouts, and the 40-hour total playtime with the charging case is reliable for extended use. The earbuds are lightweight and come with multiple ear tip sizes for a snug fit. However, they lack true ANC, so noise isolation depends heavily on the ear tip seal. Some users report occasional connectivity hiccups at longer ranges. For those wanting versatility without a high price tag, Apt Kado delivers. Coming in at number 5, Pock Buds Bluetooth Headphones. Halfway through our list, the Pock Buds Bluetooth headphones stand out for their sporty design and long battery life, priced around $30. These earbuds feature ear hooks for a secure fit, making them a go-to for runners and gym goers. With an 80-hour total playtime via the wireless charging case, they're built for endurance. The IPX7 waterproof rating protects against sweat and rain, and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection. The sound emphasizes deep bass, which suits high-energy music but can overpower vocals in some tracks. The digital display on the case is a handy touch for monitoring battery levels. While the call quality is decent thanks to ENC mics, it's not exceptional in loud environments. The ear hooks may feel bulky for casual use, and there's no ANC, which limits their appeal in noisy settings. For active users, Pock Buds offer durability and value. Coming at number 4, Zoo Wireless Earbuds. At number 4, the Zoo Wireless Earbuds bring a polished experience for around $25. These earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable connectivity and a bass-heavy sound profile that delivers immersive audio for music and movies. With a 48-hour total playtime and an IPX7 waterproof rating, they're well-suited for daily use and workouts. The lightweight design and multiple ear tip options ensure a comfortable fit for most users. The AI-enhanced microphones provide clear calls in quiet settings, though performance drops in noisier environments. The charging case includes an LED display for battery status, adding convenience. While the sound quality is impressive for the price, it lacks the refinement of higher-end models, with mids occasionally sounding recessed. There's also no companion app for EQ customization. For budget buyers seeking big sound and solid build, the Zoo earbuds are a great pick. Number 3, Anker Soundcore P20i. True wireless earbuds. Landing at number 3, the Anker Soundcore P20i. True wireless earbuds are a standout in the mid-range category, priced around $25. These earbuds deliver powerful bass thanks to 10mm drivers, with a companion app offering 22 preset EQs for sound customization. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection, and the 30-hour total playtime with the water-resistant case is impressive for the price. The earbuds are compact and comfortable, with an IPX5 rating for sweat resistance, making them suitable for workouts. The AI-enhanced dual mics provide clear call quality, even in moderately noisy environments. While they lack ANC, the passive noise isolation is decent with a proper fit. Some users may find the touch controls overly sensitive, and the case feels less premium than competitors. For those seeking high-quality audio and features on a budget, the Soundcore P20i is tough to beat. Coming at number 2, Tozo A1 Wireless Earbuds. Taking the runner-up spot, the Tozo A1 wireless earbuds offer premium features at a budget-friendly price of around $20. These lightweight earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 for a reliable, low-latency connection, perfect for streaming and calls. The sound is surprisingly refined, with balanced bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, customizable via 32 EQ presets in the Tozo app. The IPX5 waterproof rating makes them suitable for workouts, and the 32-hour total play time with the charging case is solid. The dual AI-enhanced microphones ensure clear calls, even in busy environments. Their compact design and multiple ear tip sizes provide a comfortable, secure fit. While they don't offer ANC, the passive isolation is effective. Some users report occasional pairing issues with certain devices, but overall, the Tozo A1 delivers exceptional value, rivaling more expensive models. Number 1. Apple AirPods. 4. Wireless earbuds. Topping our list, the Apple AirPods. 4 wireless earbuds are the premium choice for those invested in the Apple ecosystem, priced around $129. Powered by the H2 chip, these earbuds deliver exceptional sound with deep bass, natural mids, and sparkling highs, enhanced by personalized spatial audio and adaptive audio modes. The active noise cancellation, ANC, is highly effective, rivaling top competitors like Bose and Sony, while transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings. With Bluetooth 5.3, connectivity is seamless, and features like auto-switching between Apple devices and Find My Support add convenience. The IPX4 rated earbuds offer 5 hours of playback per charge, with the USB-C wireless charging case extending it to 30 hours. The voice-activated Siri and touch controls are intuitive. However, Android users miss out on many exclusive features, and the price is steep compared to budget options. For Apple users, the AirPods 4 are unmatched in integration and performance. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best wireless earbuds. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.